Phanteks Eclipse G500A. Case type mid-tower. Color black. Material tempered glass. Cooling method air. Model Nano Eclipse G500A Derg black. Item weight 24 pounds. Item dimensions LXW H710i x 9.45 times 20.28 inches. Number of expansion slots 7. High airflow gaming chassis with ultra-fine performance mesh on front and top that combines high airflow performance with excellent dust filtration. Integrated DRGB lighting on the front and side that is easy to control and can be expanded and or synced to a DRGB equipped motherboard. 3 high-performance M25140 DRGB fans included. Fractal design defines 7 Nano. Brand Fractal design. Motherboard compatibility axed. Case type tower. Color black TG light tint. Material aluminum. Cooling method air. Item dimensions LXW H15.7 x 8.07 times 13.58 inches. Hard disk form factor 3.5 inches. Compatible Device desktops. Fan count 3. Compact yet spacious interior accommodates any mini ITX and mini DTX motherboard. Room for GPU up to 306mm with a 25mm front fan. Flexible storage options supporting 1 3.5 drive and 3 2.5. Top panel effortlessly swaps from solid steel to filtered ventilation. New removable top panel design opens up to fully expose the case interior for effortless installation and cable routing. Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. Brand Cooler Master. Motherboard compatibility to ATX. Case type full tower. Color 700M. Alcove tempered glass. Steel. Cooling method fan. Water cooling. Item weight 52.47 pounds. Item dimensions LXW H25.6 x 12 times 25.6 inches. Number of expansion slots 8. Number of USB 3.0 ports 1. Highly versatile layout. Graphics card mounting with riser cable. Argo lighting. Expansion slots 8. Extensive cable cover system. Versatile liquid cooling support. NZXT H710i. Motherboard compatibility axed. Case type mid-tower. Color white or black. Materials kick steel and tempered glass. Cooling method air. Item weight to 7.12 pounds. Item dimensions LXW H19.45 x 9.06 times 20.31 inches. Number of expansion slots 7. New features. Front I or O USB Type-C port. Vertical GPU mount. Tempered glass side panel with single screw installation. And upgraded Smart Device V2. Smart Device V2 includes a faster microprocessor for NZXT cam-powered control of 2 RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels that support either voltage-regulated or PWM fans. Vertical GPU mounting. Show off your graphic card with a built-in mounting bracket for installing your GPU vertically. PCIe riser card not included. Corsair iCUE 5000T RGB. Motherboard compatibility min ITX. Case type mid-tower. Color black. Material alloy steel. Power supply mounting type mid-tower. Cooling method air. Series Corsair 5000T RGB. Item weight 1 kilograms. Item dimensions LXW H20.87 x 9.88 times 22.05 inches. Make a lasting impression with the 5000T RGB's unique style, lit by an astonishing 208 individually addressable RGB LEDs. All with the clean design and builder-friendly features for which the 5000T series is renowned, with 160 RGB LEDs integrated into the front, roof, and floor panels, plus 48 LEDs in the included fans. You'll get vibrant, fully customizable RGB lighting from any angle. Right out of the box, the 5000T RGB's distinctive contours and angular accents offer a unique look that no other case can match. Use the included iCUE Commander Core XD lighting and fan speed controller to control up to 6 PWM fans and dual lighting channels for multiple RGB components with powerful iCUE software that easily synchronizes all your Corsair iCUE RGB products.